The heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, located slightly to the left side of the chest. It continuously pumps blood throughout the body. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The valves ensure that blood flows in only one direction. Blood low in oxygen is pumped to the lungs. Here, gas exchange occurs, and the blood becomes rich in oxygen. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped throughout the body through the aorta. Each heartbeat consists of contraction and relaxation that sustains life.